Hey guys, this is Ryan here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to set up unique product pricing on a Fulfill Engine white label web store product. So we just finished building this hat product, and you can see that the price that it is bringing in is created based upon the pricing sheet that we assigned to the account when we created that account. So if we are matching someone's existing pricing or we're matching our own existing pricing that is different from this pricing engine number that's pulling up from within the product page view or the product dashboard view, go ahead and come over here to tasks, and we're going to click edit price, and from here you get a couple of different options. So you could just do a markup, a percentage markup, but what we're going to use is a fixed sales price. So let's say we're selling this hat for, $13. Then you just go ahead and plug that in, go ahead and hit save, and then that will apply to this product. And then if we come in and we create nested products, so additional colorways, it will also keep the price that we set now. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.